name is Natalie, and today I'm gonna show you this tortilla hack that has changed my life. I wanted to share with all of you these 3 lunch versions that I do for my family. It's really easy, saves you a lot of time, but before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe for more. We're gonna start with an Italian lunch. This is the tortillas that I have. They're large, size 8, burrito tortilla. We're gonna add pepperoni, mushrooms, fresh basil, marinara sauce, and mozzarella cheese. So let's get started with the pepperoni. Then I'm gonna add the mushrooms and the basil. You want to make sure you put your pasta sauce in between, and at the end you wanna add the cheese. Now we're gonna start folding. As you can see, it's really easy. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Next, we have our buffalo chicken lunch. I have rotisserie chicken, buffalo sauce, blue cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So I'm gonna start in the first part with the rotisserie chicken. And like I said before, you wanna put your sauce in between. Now make sure, if you're not used to the sauce, it's a little bit spicy for some people, so just add whatever you need. Next, we're gonna add our blue cheese. And at the end, you wanna add the mozzarella cheese to seal that tortilla. That way the sauce will not spill. Next, I have the classic deli lunch, and I have smoked ham, turkey breast, tomato, lettuce, avocado, American cheese, and our pickles. I'm gonna start with the smoked ham. I'm gonna add the condiments next. I'm gonna add the mustard, avocado, at the end, you want to leave the cheese. Remember, when we heat our tortilla, the cheese is gonna seal very good. That way you don't spill anything, especially if you have kids. Let me know which one is your favorite. Mine is the buffalo chicken. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.